Question 10, drag each number to the correct location on the calculation and statement. Each number can be used more than once, but not all numbers will be used. Complete the calculation and statement about the radian measure of angle theta, which is right here, as well as the arc that subtends it, both shown on the unit circle below. So this is the arc that we're talking about. So the first question, I think probably the hardest question, is this first blank. It says the arc length. So again, the arc length means we're talking about this piece right here that's now in blue, originally in red. So it's saying the arc length is 1/8 times something times the radius of the unit circle. We know the radius of the unit circle is eventually going to be 1. It's going to be this number down here. That part should be pretty straightforward. Question is, okay, this arc length, it's 1/8 times something. Well, to me, this is easier to figure out. If we think about the angle measure 45, 45 degrees is a small piece of the whole circle. Well, how much is the whole circle? The whole circle is 360 degrees, or if we convert that to radians, 2 pi radians. So it's saying this little arc is 1/8 of the whole circle. So it's 1/8 2 pi. And another way to see that is that each one of these bigger sections is 1/4 of the whole circle, but we're not looking at the bigger section, we're looking half of that 1/4, and half of 1/4 is 1/8. All right, so now then the next step just wants us to simplify. What is 1/8 times 2 pi? It's helpful, put 2 pi over 1. We're not cross multiplying. We just multiply straight across the numerator. 1 times 2 pi is 2 pi. Straight across the denominator, 8 times 1 is 8. 2 over 8 reduces to 1 over 4. So this is 1 over 4 pi, which you'll notice they have in the next step. We already said the third step is 1. Fourth box would be whatever pi over 4 times 1 is. That's simple enough. Just pi over 4 again. Then the final question says the radian measure of an angle is equal to the length of the corresponding arc on the unit circle. Therefore, the angle has a measure of pi over 4 radians. Essentially, all we've done here is we've converted 45 degrees to pi over 4. 45 degrees and pi over 4 are the same thing. The hardest step was figuring out, okay, the arc length is 1/8 of a whole circle. Whole circle is 360 degrees, or 2 pi.